Deploying Enhanced Phishing Protection with Intune, 2-minute guide. Introduction. Enhanced Phishing Protection is a security feature in Windows 11 starting from version 22H2 that helps protect user accounts and passwords from phishing attempts and unsafe storage in applications. This guide will walk you through how to configure and deploy this feature using Microsoft Intune. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Create a configuration policy. Go to Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Navigate to Devices, Configuration Profiles, Create Profile. Choose Windows 10 and later as the platform and select Settings Catalog as the profile type. Click Create. Step 2. Search for Enhanced Phishing Protection. In the Settings Catalog, use the search bar and type Enhanced Phishing Protection. Select the relevant settings for Enhanced Phishing Protection to add them to your profile. Step 3. Configure the settings. Set Service Enabled to Enabled. This activates Enhanced Phishing Protection. Enable the following options. Notify Malicious. Alerts users if they enter passwords in unsafe or malicious scenarios. Notify Password Reuse. Notifies users when they try to reuse their password. Notify Unsafe App warns users if they type their password in applications like Notepad or Microsoft Word. Step 4. Assign the policy. Assign this configuration policy to a device group or filter to specify the target devices. Go to Assignments and select the group of users or devices you want this policy applied to. Step 5. Set to block mode. Optional, but recommended. Set the policy to block mode instead of audit mode for optimal protection. This ensures users receive immediate alerts if they engage in risky behavior, such as reusing passwords or storing them insecurely. Step 6. Review and create. Review all configurations. Click Create to finalize and deploy the policy. Conclusion. Your Enhanced Phishing Protection policy is now deployed. This ensures that users get real-time alerts if they type their passwords in unsafe environments, helping protect your organization from phishing and unauthorized password use.